Well, hello everyone. Welcome to our educational video about one of the most serious environmental issue in the world today, that is deforestation. My name is Sunny Finarsta and my friends,
And my name is Safira Aura Surya.
and we are going to discuss this important topic. Did you know that every single minute around 30 football fields of forest disappear from our planet? That is a very shocking fact. Forests cover about 31% of the Earth's land, but they are disappearing at a very fast rate. So today we are going to explore three important things. Those are why deforestation happens, what effects it has on our environment, and what we can do to stop it. First, let us understand what deforestation means. Deforestation is the process of clearing or removing large areas of forest. Usually, the land can be used for another purpose. This is not a new problem. It has been happening for hundreds of years. However, in recent decades, the speed of deforestation has become much faster because of the growing population and increasing demand for land and resource. This problem is happening all over the world, in the Amazon rainforest in Brazil, in Congo Basin in Africa, and also here in Southeast Asia, including Indonesia. According to the Forest Watch, Indonesia lost millions of hectares of forest in recent years, making it one of the most affected countries in the world. This is something that is very close to home for all of us. Now, let us talk about what causes deforestation. There are three main reasons. The first is logging. This means cutting down the trees to get timber for furniture, construction, and paper product. Logging is one of the oldest causes of deforestation, and it still happens on a very large scale today. The second cause is agriculture expansion. Large areas of forests are cleared to make space for farms and plantation. In Southeast Asia, one of the biggest drivers is the palm oil industry. Palm oil is used in many products that we use every day, such as cooking oil, soap, and chocolate. The demand for palm oil is very high, and because of this, thousands of hectares of forests are destroyed every year. The third cause is urban and infrastructure development, like building new roads, cities, factories, and dams on land that was once covered by forests. As the population grows, the needs for lands also increase, and forests are often the first things to be removed.
So, what are the consequences when forests disappear? The impacts are very serious and affect not just nature but also human life. The first impacts is the loss of biodiversity. Forests are home to more than half of the world's animal and plant species. When forests are cut down, animals like orangutans, Sumatran tigers, and thousands of insects and birds lose their habitat. Many of these species may become extinct before we even have the chance to study them. The second impact is climate change. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and store it. When trees are cut down or burned, all of that stored carbon is released back into the air. This makes global warming worse and leads to more extreme weather events such as floods and droughts. The third impact is the disruption of the water cycle. Trees play an important role in regulating rainfall. Their roots absorb water from the ground and release it into the atmosphere. Without trees, the land dries out more quickly, which can lead to soil erosion and reduced rainfall in surrounding areas. The good news is that there are solutions, and people all around the world are already taking action. The first solution is reforestation. This means planting new trees to replace the one that have been cut down. Many governments and environmental organizations are running reforestation programs, and some of them have already shown very positive results. The second solution is sustainable forestry. This means managing forests in a careful way so that trees can be used without completely destroying the ecosystem. For example, choosing products that use certified sustainable palm oil is one way we can support this. The third solution is raising awareness and changing our own behavior. As students and young people, we have the power to influence the people around us. We can reduce paper waste, support environmental organization, and choose more eco-friendly products in our daily life. Every small actions, when done by many people, can make a big difference. So, to summarize what we have learned today, deforestation is caused by logging, agriculture expansion, and urban development. It leads to serious problems such as biodiversity loss, climate change, and disruptions of the water cycle. But through deforestation, sustainable practice, and individual action, we can still make a change. Forests are often called the lungs of the earth. If we do not protect them now, the consequence will affect not just us, but also future generations. And here's the reference that we use for the material. First documentary from Kiss the Crown in Netflix 2020. Second podcast from Costing the Earth in BBC Radio 4. And the last lecture in TED Talk by Sebastião Salgado in the title The Story of Rebirth of a Damaged Rainforest 2013. And script brainstorming assisted by Cloud AI. Thank you for watching.